Hello guys, my name is Param Parekh. In this video, I am going to show you an app of linear transformations on shapes. If you don't know about linear transformations, I recommend you to see my video and website on linear transformations using matrices. Link of video and site is given in the description, and also steps of installation process is given in the description. Let's start. I have already installed app, so without wasting our time, I am going to show you how the app works. First of all, you can see load shape button in the left hand side. Just click it. It loads the triangle shape in the figure. In the list box, you can see many linear transformations like horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, counterclockwise rotation, clockwise rotation, reflection about x-axis, y-axis, and many more. After loading shape, select one transformation which are in the list box and click on the apply transformation button. You can see transformed shape in the figure. For example, if you select counterclockwise rotation from the list box, then you can see its matrix in the panel of transformation matrix. The transformation matrix of counterclockwise rotation is 0, -1, 1, 0. After selecting particular transformation from the list box, you have to click on apply transformation button to do the transformation. See here we have rotated shape. You can also modify transformation matrix from its panel and see the output on the screen. After performing one transformation, you have to click on the clear button to clear the screen, and again click on the load button to display a shape. Let's perform another transformation. Select reflection from the list box. Here one can perform reflection by x-axis, y-axis, about origin, and about diagonal line. Select reflection about y-axis and apply the transformation. You can see that now a triangular has a reflected about y-axis. Similarly for x-axis and other cases. Let's take one more for your information, that is enlargement. Select enlargement option from the list box. Apply transformation and you can see enlarged triangular shape in the screen by factor 3. If you want to more enlarge your shape, then change the factor from the transformation matrix. Like here, I change the factor 3 to 4. So now you can see more bigger shape than previous transformed shape. Here I take triangular shape for demo of linear transformation. We can also take any shape or image or object to do linear transformation. At last, we can say that this type of softwares are highly applicable in the field of computer graphics and animation. Thank you.